All right, guys. So I am downstairs in my living room with Austin. Say hi, Austin. So for Black Friday, we actually went out and bought a new TV, a 4K TV. So a new 4K TV. Really excited. We got it home, and I'm like, oh yes. And then I get this. I get this remote, and I'm like, I hate this remote. There's like how many buttons on this thing?
I'll count it.
Yeah, count the buttons, Mikhail.
Let's see.
Now, why don't you come into the camera so everyone can see? You got something in your ear.
Okay.
How many buttons you got there?
26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 34 plus 8 is equal to a grand total of 42. Technically, it says 44 buttons because these buttons. So technically, it's 44.
Why do you need that many buttons, Mikhail?
No, you don't.
How many buttons do we have here?
Well, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10 buttons. That's all we have.
That's 32 buttons down.
I think the reason why I picked up this remote is because we're so used to the Apple remote, and it's like, either we can go spend $150 on an Apple TV with the remote, or we can just buy this cheap remote and kind of get the same thing. What do you think about this remote?
Much simpler to use and less unnecessary buttons.
It was like $8 on Amazon. So I would say I can actually use this remote without even looking at it for the most part, which is kind of nice. And it also has like a nice curvature to it, which is a lot better than the Apple remote. So it kind of just really fits in your hand very nice. So yeah.
As you can see, there are a lot more buttons which are more densely packed together.
Yeah.
So if you're trying to click this button, but you might accidentally click this button or that button, and then it just wastes your time.
I really like the buttons itself. The buttons have really good travel. So yeah, the buttons, they feel really good when you press. They're not mushy or anything like that. And this actual button here, if you can see this, it's like a volume rocker, so it goes up and down, and you can press in, and it will mute the actual audio itself. But otherwise, it takes 2 AA batteries, and yeah, I would highly recommend it. I would say if you're going to get a Samsung TV, pick up this remote. It's going to make life a lot easier for you. But yeah, I gotta go. I think my oldest son wants me to add some screen time to his iPhone. But I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Later.
See ya!
Bye.